day, Ma'am Liniu, I am Renan Jan Elasalan, a BSBA student major in financial management. In this video, I'm gonna share with you about the virtuous person I admire, and I will state here about his characteristics, why I admire him. So the person I admire is Dr. L. Baktul. Dr. L. Baktul is a person who has contributed a very well-known performance in the time he was alive. He is a dedicated doctor and a committed to his profession. I saw Dr. Baktul in the series of Maalaala Mo Kaya episode Dr. Hero, who was portrayed by Arjo Atayde. In his professional life as a physician, he exemplifies the qualities like empathy, courage, kindness, and selflessness. That's why I admire him the most. He has a pure and genuine heart, especially when it comes to caring of patients. He sacrifices even his time for family in order for him to fulfill his duties. It is proven that Dr. Baktul works relentlessly to give medical care and aid, especially during difficult situations and emergencies, putting his patients' needs ahead of its own. He treats each patient with respect and decency, displaying a profound sense of understanding and compassion for those who on his care. Dr. Baktul is a real hero and inspiration to others because he perseveres in his devotion to healing and saving lives in the face of hardship and sacrifices. On a personal level, Dr. Baktul really gives an inspiration to me. Toward his character, I have reminded that even though in the midst of hardships, we must still choose to be kind and help who are in need. That sometimes you should have to be selfless, because at the end of the day, being selfless is not a measure of how small things remains on you, but a measure of how good person you are. This character will continuously serve as an inspiration to me, and it will remind me forever the importance of being a good person and selfless. Dr. L is truly an admirable idol.